Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Real with Ann, another Pinay trader from the Philippines. So today, January 9th, time check, it's 1:03 a.m. So while the market is red and we're still waiting for confirmation on which way it's heading, I'd like to show you guys how I do my charting. Finally, na-open ko yung trading view ko. This is how I do my charting using the trend line. So, trend lines are horizontal and diagonal lines used to identify support and resistance levels. So, there are some indicators here, guys, that I won't be able to show, like EMA, MA, stochastic RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, because my access to TradingView is limited. So I hope you guys understand. So let's look at the chart now. On the upper left portion of the screen, we can see the actual price for buy and sell. So currently, Cardano is trading at 9.95. So for buy 9509, 0.9509, sell 0.9506. Okay, so now let's go with the, so I'll just make it simple, guys. So gusto ko lang ipakita dito yung sinasabi ko dun sa previous videos ko about inverse head and shoulder. So for those who already know what an inverse head and shoulder pattern is, you may want to check my previous videos for possible buy and sell areas for Cardano. So this is perfect for newbies or those who are just getting started with trading. By the way, guys, bago pa makatong recording na to, don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow my channel. Feel free to leave a comment about which coin you'd like me to check next time. So let's now draw that inverse head and shoulder. Okay, bilisan ko lang guys kasi medyo natatagalan ako dito sa video na to. Okay, so this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So hopefully mag-bounce tayo sa area na to kung saan nag-bounce tayo sa left shoulder. Okay, let's draw a horizontal line. Okay, itong area na to. Sa point 0.91. So, around 0.90, yun na yung conservative ko. If not, we might go lower. Pwede to umabot ng point. Not point. Okay, let's. Ito. Kasi dito tayo nagkaroon ng parang consolidation. 0.82. Pero hopefully mag-bounce na tayo dito sa area na to ng 90. 91 area. Okay, so let's go with the higher time frame. 1 day. Let's go with the 1 week. Okay. Okay. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys sa previous videos ko about morning star. So we have our long red candle followed by doji and then green candle. Usually sa morning star pattern, meron siyang reversal talaga to do a retest. Okay? So that's for Cardano. Let's go with Doge. Ayoko sanang matagalan to kasi nakakat. Kanina ko pa siya, pang ilang ulit ko na to actually. So ito, let's go with the 1 week. Again, same pattern for with Cardano. With Doge, meron din tayong tinatawag na morning star pattern. Okay? Doji, ito yung Doji, yung candle na to na maliit, followed by green candle. Okay? So, saan ba tayo pwedeng mag-bounce sa Cardano? So, yung Cardano, for Cardano, okay. Let's go with the 4-hour chart. So, binasag niya na yung area na to. I think I've mentioned point 33 dun sa previous videos ko. Okay, so possible tayo mag-bounce which area. Ito yung tinitingnan ko. So, let's go with another horizontal line. Okay. Itong area na to, hopefully mag-bounce tayo dito. But ayaw. Okay. Ba't ganun? Okay. So, ito na lang gagawin natin. Okay, itong area na to, 0.30. If not, we might fill this width. Okay, sa area ng 0.26. Okay, 0.30, 26. Let's go with BTC, guys. Okay, BTC. So, with BTC, let's go with the 1-day chart. Okay. So, 1-day chart, meron na akong medyo matagal na tong lines ko, I think. Medyo matagal na siya. Few months ago. So, possible na tayo mag-bounce sa area na to. We'll see. Let's check. This is the previous low. Support pala. Diyan tayo nag-bounce sa 0.91 area. If not, okay. I'm not really sure, but we might go back to 0.84 area. Hopefully, hindi na umabot doon. So, yun lang guys. That's it for tonight. And, please, again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow my channel. Thank you so much.